Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, August 4th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 19 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So I wanted to make this video and just tell you that August, if you haven't seen my other videos I did at the end of July, August is when things start ramping up with direct mail and in the work from home space in general, okay? Like I mentioned in other videos, it's the time of year where kids, they're getting ready for school. Camps are over. People are just starting to get back into, settling down. And, the summer vacations are ending and all that, and people are having more time. They're looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. And they're also getting prepared, believe it or not, for the holiday season, right? That's why August and September are literally two of the busiest times of the year for network marketing, is because people are looking for ways to get ready for the holidays so that they're financially ready for the holidays, okay? So it's a great time to start your own business, or to really put forth some effort if you already have a business and you're not paying too much attention to it. Because I've already enrolled 4 new people into my businesses this month already, and we're only 4 days into the month. All right, 4 new referrals into my business opportunities already, and we're only into the 4th day of the month. It's not even been 4 full days yet. All right, it's only about 10:15 a.m. Eastern time while I'm recording this, okay? So my point of doing this video is just to let people know that when I was talking about August being a prime time for the network marketing niche to pick back up, it's no joke, all right? This is the time when people start taking action again and start looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. All right, there's always a lull in the summertime, and that's simply because the kids are out of school, people are going on vacations, kids have summer camps, parents are busy running around. But now we're in it, okay? And it's going to be busy from now all the way up through the holiday season, and then it'll slow off a little bit until tax time, and then it's just a repeating cycle, right? It's just a consistent cycle that we see year after year after year in the work from home space. And the consistency is a major part, because that is why I get the results that I get, is consistency. All right, I'm showing up every day, I'm taking massive action, and I'm staying consistent. All right, that's why I do these videos for you guys, to show you exactly what I do. Right, I do my truck talk videos when I'm driving in my truck, try to provide value for everybody. And then when I do my lives in the evening, usually it's about an opportunity that I'm a part of. And I create content on social media, Facebook and YouTube, and I send out letters in the mail, direct mail marketing. That's all that I do. And I get results all the time, nonstop, consistent. And these 4 people that have joined me in opportunities, what if one of them goes out and brings in 50 or 100 people into an opportunity? Right? That's where you leverage people. You leverage the power of, the work of other people. Most people join, they never take any action. But you always get, 1 out of every 10, maybe 2 if you're really lucky, of people who will put forth some effort. And some of those go on to be, one of the top 1 or 2% earners. Right? But most people join and they never take any action. But the point is that when you have people, when you're signing up people continuously, regularly, consistently, not only are you making cash, you have cash flow coming in, but you also have that chance of building, having your team built bigger for you by their efforts, right? Leveraging others' efforts. And that's where the real money is made, because you only need 1 or 2 people in your opportunity that are go-getters like myself, who take action, who can build your empire for you. All right, I mean, it happens. I've had people that I've had join me, and they take massive action, and they go and they bring in lots and lots and lots of people. I've had huge teams. I have huge teams right now in different opportunities. And that's where the power of really making money comes in, is when you start referring people yourself and you keep things easy and duplicatable for others to go out and duplicate, then you get results. And that's what I do. I have systems in place, okay? And if you're interested in checking it all out, how it runs, just go to joinruss.com, okay? Joinruss.com. And I have systems in place. So I drive traffic over to joinruss.com. People opt into my pages. Then they have a system. I have a system in place that does all the selling and telling for me, has follow-up emails and everything for all my opportunities, okay? And that's all that I do. And then if people want to join my newsletter, they can join that. Then I can market to them. If they want to have a phone consult, I make money off of those. If they want to join my 30-day momentum coaching program, I make money off of that, right? So I have many streams of income all over on joinruss.com. And all I'm doing every day is showing up, creating content on Facebook and YouTube, sending out letters in the mail, and that's it, all right? And I just did a video last week about my 2-hour direct mail work day. Most days it doesn't even take me 2 hours, right? And I'm done. I come over to the soap shop here. I'm here right now. I check in there, make sure everything is running smoothly. I go run errands, go to the post office, do whatever I have to do, and then I'm free to do whatever I want for the rest of the day, right? So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go home. Actually, I'm going to go to Home Depot. I'm going to pick up a new shop light. I'm going to install it down in my art studio, and I'm going to continue working on my paintings. And that's what I'm going to do this afternoon. And then tonight, Tina and I and my mother are going out for dinner. So, it's time freedom. It's time freedom. It's being able to do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow. And that is what my consistency has helped me achieve, right? Just show up every day, take massive action, stay consistent. I say it in all my videos. So if you've been watching my videos and you still haven't taken action yet, what are you waiting for, right? Now is the best time to get involved if you're not involved in the work from home space. And if you are involved in the workspace, it's the best time to start putting effort into your business and treating it like a business and taking action, okay? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And reach out to me if you have any questions, all right? There'll be a link down below here, joinruss.com. Go check it out. Sign up for my newsletter. I don't spam people. I send out 1, maybe 2 emails a week, if that. And usually value-filled emails. And I have a 60-minute phone consult, and I have a 30-day momentum program, and you can check out all my opportunities that I'm a part of, okay? So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.